I am Dr. S. Mishra. I am a dental surgeon and I welcome you all to my channel Now Ask the Doctor. Today in this video, I will share the recent guideline regarding the interval between two doses of the vaccine Covishield in India. So the vaccination against coronavirus infection started from 16th January 2021 in India. In India, they are giving two vaccines, namely Covaxin and Covishield. Now, in India, you will be given two doses of either Covaxin or Covishield. On the basis of emerging scientific evidence, the interval between two doses of the vaccine Covishield has been changed or revised by the National Technical Advisory Group on Immunization and the National Expert Group on Vaccine Administration for COVID-19 to 6 to 8 weeks. So, 2 points to be noted in this regard. Firstly, the change between the interval between the two doses of the vaccine applies only to Covishield and not Covaxin. And the second point is, now you will take the second dose of the vaccine Covishield after 6 to 8 weeks of the first dose. So previously, the second dose was given at an interval of 4 to 6 weeks after the first dose. Now that 4 to 6 weeks interval has been changed to 6 to 8 weeks. This whole coronavirus territory is new to all of us, and these things will change on the basis of more data available. So these things are not in our hands. We have to act according to the instructions. The notice regarding this change in interval has been issued on 22nd March 2021. Now, if you find my channel informative, then please subscribe to my channel for more health related videos and informations. Thank you. Stay healthy and stay happy.